Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Warp VPN when it is connected, but there is no internet. First, open your internet browser and check if your normal connection is working without Warp. Try opening any website. If it doesn't load, the issue is with your Wi-Fi or mobile data, not Warp itself. Now open the Warp app and disconnect the VPN completely. Wait a few seconds so the old connection session fully resets. Next, reconnect Warp again and check if the internet starts working. If it still shows connected but no internet, move to the next step. Now switch the VPN mode or location inside Warp. Some servers can be overloaded or temporarily unstable, which causes no browsing access even though it shows connected. After that, check your phone's DNS settings. If you are using a custom DNS or private DNS, turn it off because it can conflict with Warp's network routing. Now go to your phone settings and open network and internet settings. Reset your Wi-Fi or mobile network settings to remove any broken configuration that might be blocking traffic. Next, turn on airplane mode for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your network connection and reassigns a fresh IP address. If it still doesn't work, restart your phone completely to clear cached network processes and background conflicts. Also, make sure Warp has proper permissions enabled, including background data, unrestricted battery usage, and network access. Without these permissions, the VPN can connect but fail to route traffic. Finally, reopen Warp and connect again. In most cases, changing the server, resetting DNS, or refreshing the network fixes the connected but no internet issue completely. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.